Hi friends, welcome you all once again to the IoT show by Rajan Robotics. Today we are going to update the sensor value in the ThinkSpeak website. So once again I am showing you this device. This device is connected only to the power supply. Okay, and this is the ultrasonic sensor by which we can measure the distance. So we can measure the distance. So here this is a transmitter and this is a receiver. So the ultrasonic wave we can use it to measure the distance, and this data will be updated in the ThinkSpeak website. So here we can see the ThinkSpeak website, and this is nowhere, these two devices nowhere connected. It is connected only through the internet. Hence we call this as Internet of Things, and the sensor data will be updated in the ThinkSpeak website for every 17 seconds approximately. Here we can see that. So here we can see the graph x-axis in the centimeters. So 200 centimeters the maximum the sensor has measured, and here we can see the time slot. So since my hand is obstructing, we can see the variation in the graph. Now let us see that. So now we are going to obstruct the distance. So approximately this will be from the sensor to the node. It will be approximately 10 centimeter or less than that. Let us see what does the graph shows. This will be updated for every 10 seconds. See that the value is very close to 0. Now I am moving the node so somewhere far away. So this will be approximately something 20 centimeter or more. Now let us see what the value will be on the screen. See, it has increased. Now I am removing the obstacle in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So there is no obstacle, so it goes directly towards the wall. So this will be somewhere closer to more than 100 centimeter. So the graph has increased. So see that our local sensor, which is connected through the Wi-Fi, is updating in the ThinkSpeak website. Hence we call this as Internet of Things. To know more about or to learn more about Internet of Things, please register your details in the link given below. Thank you.